Hello and welcome back to Maths Made Easy. Today we are going to learn how to find antilog using logarithmic table. But before we begin, I request all the viewers to subscribe this YouTube channel. This keeps me motivated. Thank you very much. Let's start it. Okay, let's see how your antilog table will look. In the first column, there is going to be the rows that we are going to always referring. This first column is 0.00, 0.01, 0.22, 0.33. This is the row that we are going to refer in all the columns. Then we have columns from 0 to 9, and then we have mean difference from 1 to 9. That's it. This is the structure of anti-logarithmic table. We'll see in the questions. Here are some steps, theoretical steps. If you wish, you can pause the video and read them, but I'm going to explain them in a simpler way in next few slides. Okay, we are going to find these three questions. Antilog of 1.9886, antilog of 0.4931, and antilog of minus 2.8713. So very first, from the above example, we can identify that 1 is our characteristics and 0.9886 is our mantissa. This is very important, that characteristics is used to decide. This will help you to decide where to put the decimal point. Now we will start our working with mantissa. As you see here, 9886. 98.86. So you will look here 0.98, then 8 in the another column. So I have here 9727. You will look in the column corresponding to the row 0.98. So I have 9727 here, and in the mean difference I will be looking at 6. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. I have 13 over here. 9727 plus 13, 9740. Now where to put decimal? Since you have 1 as character, always remember this formula, character plus 1. So right now the character is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. We will be putting our decimal after 2 digits. So let's say our answer is 9740. So our decimal will come at 97.40. So this is how we can find the antilog of any number. Antilog of 1.9886 is equal to 97.40. Let's move on to the next one. Antilog of 0.4931. Here we have characteristics as 0 and mantissa as 4931. Remember again, characteristics will help you to decide where to put point, and mantissa is going to find the number. Mantissa is going to help you to find the numbers. So for 0.4931, I will be looking for 0.49, column number 3, and then mean difference 1. 0.49, 1 2 3, 3112, and mean difference 1. This is mean difference 1, that is also 1. So I'm going to add 1 to this one, 3113. Now how to decide the decimal points? As I said, it's very simple, characteristics plus 1. So this time characteristics is 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So we will be putting our decimal after 1 digit. So our answer will be 3.113. Antilog of 0.4931 is 3.113. Let's move on to the next one. Antilog of minus 2.8713. Again, minus 2 is characteristics and 0.8713 is mantissa. So we will start working on mantissa. 0.87. Find the row 0.87. Look into the corresponding column of 1. So 0.87 is here, right here. This first column is 0 and this is 1. 7430. Mean difference 3. 0.87 mean difference 1 2 3, this is 5. Sorry, this has to be 5. So 7430 plus 5, you will have 7435 from mantissa. Now how about decimal? Since we have negative number as a character, our formula is same, characteristics plus 1, characteristics plus 1, that is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So we get minus 1 as the deciding factor. Okay, where to put the decimal? In case of negative number, you will be always putting it before 0. Since it is minus 1, I'll make sure that after decimal I should have 1 0 and the remaining numbers. So my answer will be after decimal 107435. That's it. Let's say if this is minus 2, my antilog solution will be like this. After decimal I should be having 2 zeros and whatever may be the number. That's it. This is very simple, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.